Hi, my name is Catherine Wong, and I'm a current junior at OSHA in the Creative Writing Conservatory. I love writing speculative fiction, poetry, and songs. But I also love playing the piano. And on top of that, I'm also super interested in the sciences and public health. I founded STEM the Art to bring a unique, hands-on type of education to students of all backgrounds. Our curriculum integrates elements of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics with the arts, enriching young minds and promoting balance in learning. STEM the Art's current curriculum includes 4 different art forms: music, creative writing, visual arts, and culinary arts. Students have the opportunity to participate in interactive experiments such as crafting their own flutes out of straws, designing their own fictional planets, and learning about environmentalism and planting their own crops. As of now, STEM the Art visits a TK through 8 school in Santa Ana to host sessions and teach our curriculum to elementary level students.